Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate UX testing with Lookback, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin automating UX testing with Lookback, first, create a Lookback account on their official website. Once registered, log into your dashboard where you'll find the main interface for your projects. Next, familiarize yourself with the available features like live, recording, and replay. To start a new UX test, click on the New Project button. Fill in the project details, including the name and description. Select the type of study you want to conduct, such as moderated or unmoderated testing. For moderated testing, set a date and time for the session and invite participants. If you choose unmoderated testing, customize the tasks participants will complete. Next, create participant scripts to guide users through their testing. Include clear instructions and questions that will help you gather meaningful feedback. After crafting your scripts, prepare any necessary prototypes or designs for users to interact with. Make sure your prototypes are accessible and functional for testing. Once your project setup is complete, invite participants directly via email or share the testing link. To analyze results, monitor the sessions in real time during moderated tests. For unmoderated tests, review the recorded sessions and gathered feedback later. Organize the data collected in Lookback's dashboard for easier analysis. Use tagging to highlight key moments or issues experienced by users. Identify patterns in user behavior and feedback to pinpoint areas for improvement. Compile the findings into a report that outlines insights and actionable recommendations. Finally, share your findings with your team to drive UX enhancements based on test results. This process will help ensure that your UX design is user-centric and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.